What is an image? The image is not a copy or a movement relative to an object or subject. It is not even a copy of a copy without an original. There is no mimesis whatsoever. If we are looking for a new and more fruitful definition of the image, we need look no further than within the same Latin root of the word itself. The word image, from the Latin word imago, means reflection, duplication, or echo. These definitions imply precisely the opposite of what we typically think of as a copy. A copy must be something other than its model, or, by definition, it cannot be a copy of a model. However, reflection, from the Latin word flex, means bend or curve. A reflection is a curving or bending that folds back over itself. Duplication, from the Latin word pli, meaning fold, makes this meaning quite apparent. The image is not a distinct or separate copy, but rather the process by which matter curves, bends, folds, and bounces back and forth, or echoes. The image is, therefore, the mobile process by which matter twists, folds, and reflects itself into various structures of sensation and affection. By this definition, the image is not reducible to a strictly visual kind image alone, but also is optical, sonic, haptic, olfactory, and gustatory. All sensation is thus bound together in a continuous flow of images. There are not first static objects and subjects, and then later a movement or transfer of images between them. Rather, there is first matter in motion, folding itself up through composition and duplication that generates larger sensuous matters like objects and subjects that then further reflect and duplicate the flows of matter between them. A folded image is not a copy because a fold is not something separate from the matter that is folded. The fold is a completely continuous kinetic and topological structure. There is not one part of the fold that is an original and another that is a copy. This is the sense in which Henri Bergson writes that the image is more than that which the idealist calls a representation, but less than that which the realist calls a thing, an existence placed halfway between the thing and the representation. It is more than a representation because it is not a copy of something else, and it is less than a thing because it is already the material of which things are composed, and as such is irreducible to any single empirical sensation of it. Images, to invert Bergson's phrase, are an aggregate of matters. In contrast to existing theories of the image as passive phenomena of formal, subjective, or other static, anthropocentric, and ahistorical structures, this book provides a refreshingly different approach, a transformative, affective, and kinetic theory proper to the action and mobility of the image itself. The details of this kinetic and materialist theory of the image are further developed in Part 1.
To keep listening to this audiobook for free, click the link in the description. It will take you to a free Audible trial where you can listen to this and many other books for free for 30 days.